so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sy'Monne, and today's video is going to be an everyday makeup look / full coverage, and also I will be installing this wig at the end if you guys want to see that, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. Also, check out my website. I sell lashes, lip gloss, and jewelry. The links will be down below. Check out my Instagram, my Twitter, and my TikTok. All those links will be down below, and I'll see y'all in the video. After the shower, I did some dermaplaning, put some Vaseline on, and then I put some makeup primer on. The primer that I used was Georgette Klinger Marula Primer since 1941, all skin types. And it's really moisturizing. I absolutely love this makeup primer, it's really good. And I just washed my sponge with E.l.f. brush shampoo, so I have a nice fluffy damp sponge, and this is the shampoo that I use to wash it. So the concealer I will be using is also by E.l.f. It is a hydrating camel concealer satin finish. It is in the shade light beige. So my all-time favorite foundation is by Maybelline New York Fit Me. This foundation is literally like the holy grail of foundations because it took me so long to find my shade. So speaking of my shade, it is 332 Golden Caramel, but that is right now while my skin is still kind of like lighter, you know? But in the summertime, I'll probably have to go a shade up. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily Foundation with clay. This stuff's amazing. I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. So I put about this much.
Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
Just softening and blurring the lines so it's all blended nice. Now, I personally don't like to put foundation on my forehead. I think it just looks weird on me. So I tend to leave it alone. If I do, it's only just a little bit. So I probably will put just a little bit.
Baby, I will show you how you can
just because I want to put on some bronzer and this kind of like, yeah, it'll just look better. So I'm gonna let that sit for a couple seconds and then I'm gonna go ahead and go into my bronzer. So this is by LA Colors. It's a lip oil and it's absolutely marvelous. I get it at Family Dollar. So the bronzer I'm going to be using is by, I don't know if I'm saying this right, I think it's Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty, I'm not sure. Bronzed in Paradise. So I'm going to be using this shade here. What I like to do is just go in on the side of the brush.
Get in my way
Next, I'm going to do blush, and the blush I'm using is by Sy'Monne London. And the brush I'm going to be using is by Equal Tools. Now I'm going to do my brows, and I am using a pomade by LA Colors, which I got at Family Dollar in the shade dark brown.
Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
I'm going to set my makeup with Dewy Coconut Setting Mist, Long Lasting by E.l.f.
I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. No, you looking bomb the way you dress.
This is Rimmel London Wonder Extension Mascara, and I absolutely am in love.
More the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends. No, you can't, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
this could be like an everyday makeup look with a full face, and at night you can just add some eyeliner and it'll be a night look. Okay, one more thing. Gloss. So I sell lip gloss. My website is goddesstingsboutique.com. The link will be down below. I am not currently going to be putting on that gloss, but you should still check it out. The gloss I am going to be wearing is by LA Colors Glossy Lips Moisturizing Sheer Lip Gloss. I got this at Family Dollar. I'm going to put this wig cap on. I like wigs, they're so much fun. I used to dye my hair a lot because I like color, I like to switch it up sometimes, but dyeing your hair the old-fashioned way is really bad for your hair. So instead of doing that, I've switched to alternatives like hair wax, wigs, and like hair chalk. Hair chalk is really fun and it's harmless. I love it. Yes, we like the color without the damage. So this wig I actually got on Amazon. All the wigs I have got on Amazon. I don't know what the brand is, but I just went on there and picked out wigs I thought were cute. I only have straight hair wigs. Well, this one's, well, it's straight, but it's like wavy kind of. I need to get some curly ones. I want to get like a lot of wigs. I love wigs, they're fun. So this is what we're gonna be doing. Wigs and lip gloss. Hair and lip gloss, period. Just gonna go hunting for it right now. But basically they look like this, little like bra straps. So basically you just want to pull it around and hook it to the other side. Pretty much any part of the wig you can like hook it on, kind of scrape it against the inside or until it hooks onto something. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss when I post. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, those will be all down below. Check out my website. I sell lashes, lip gloss, and jewelry. The link will be down below, and I thank you guys so much again for watching my whole video. Stick around for more, guys.